This pen cup started as a simple AI image and ended up as a real 3D print. Normally, creating something like this would take a lot of 3D modeling work, but today we're letting AI do the hard part. Let's get started. First, go to chatgpt.com and enter the prompt shown on the screen or copy it from the video description. This will generate an image of a medieval stone tower. When the image is ready, simply download it. Head over to Meshy.ai and open My Workspace. Select Image to 3D, upload the image you just created, and click Generate. That's it. In just a few seconds, Meshy AI automatically creates a clean 3D model based on the image. Next, open the download settings, enable resize, select millimeters, set the height to 100 millimeters, and download the model as an OBJ file. Meshy AI offers one of the most extensive ranges of DCC integrations among AI 3D tools, making it a great solution for 3D printing users who want to bridge the gap between AI and production. Now drag and drop the file into Bambu Studio. First, use the Rotate tool to rotate the model 90 degrees on the X-axis, then switch to the Move tool and center it in X and Y on the build plate. Next, go to the Objects menu, right-click the model, and add a cylindrical negative part. Select the negative part and open the Scale tool. Disable uniform scaling, then set the size to 46 millimeters on X, 46 millimeters on Y, and 95 millimeters on Z. Now align it to the center of the tower and also to the top. This creates the inner space for the pens, while keeping enough wall thickness around the door and the bottom. Next, add a second cylindrical negative part. Resize it to 62 millimeters on X and Y and 15 millimeters on Z again. Align it to the center and to the top of the tower. This gives the tower a cleaner and more realistic opening at the top. Finally, select the entire tower and move it -1 millimeter on the Z axis. This creates a perfectly flat first layer, which improves print stability. Now paint the windows and the door, slice the model, send it to your printer, and you're ready to go. Once the print is finished, remove it from the build plate and enjoy your new medieval tower pen cup. If you want to try it yourself, Meshy AI is offering new users 50% off their first month. Make sure to check the video description for the full prompt, the project file, and all the links you need. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more AI-powered 3D printing content, make sure to like the video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what should I make next. See you in the next video.